Welcome back to Kickz and Trickz.
This is your boy Lil Ron.
It's your boy T. Carter. You tuned in to the new home for sneakerheads across the world. We want to keep you updated on all the latest kicks, trends, as well as tutorials, preservations, restorations, and customizations. Today we're talking about the Jordan 8.
Jordan 8 was an excellent shoe. That takes us back to 1993. When I think of 93, besides Jordan, the first thing I think about is two things. They actually introduced the very first PlayStation, which released in 1994, but they talked about it in actually 93. And another iconic movie was released. You know what movie that was?
No, lace me up on that.
I was walking around with my Fila slippers, slides, acting like I was Kane from Menace to Society.
Thought you was Kane with the drop top 5.0.
Man, I didn't have a 5.0, but I'm telling you, I was feeling like Kane, man.
And that was a real good movie. I can't even front on that.
A lot of people don't know, in the Menace to Society movie, Tupac was supposed to play that role of Sharice in that movie.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Yes. And you know, the Hughes brothers, it was a big deal with them and Tupac not wanting that role. He wanted a more gangster-type role to follow up behind Juice.
Yeah, and that was like a lot of movies that was supposed to be Pac playing in, but he didn't want to take the role. Just like, what was that, Baby Boy?
Yes. But not taking everybody off subject. Y'all came here for something, and we going to give it to you, and that's what we going to do today. Jordan 8.
Jordan 8, 1993.
That's right. Charles Barkley,
Dan Marley, with the Suns.
Yes. I mean, the Phoenix Suns basically were supposed to be that team to deliver that goal that year. They thought Mike came off of a summer with the Olympics, with the Dream Team, and they thought Mike didn't have it in him. He was partying a lot, smoking cigars, popping champagne, and Mike had to turn back around and prove them wrong.
Yeah, Mike hit him with the shimmy shake from the baseline. Mike went off in that series.
Yes, he did.
And, that was the year, Charles actually thought he was going to get him a ring that year.
And, ever since then, Charles either had to be Mike's friend or he had to turn back around and find another home to try to work on and try to get that ring.
Exactly. But we'll take it off. So let's go to about the Nike factories and the shutdown.
Oh, man. I've been a lot of calls about that.
Yeah, me myself too.
The factories being closed down it's actually a bad thing in the sneaker community because now that's going to open up even more doors now for people to price gouge on all the latest exclusives.
Yeah, I think it's going to be price gouging. It's going to go back like it used to be, where people start jacking for shoes again.
Yep, that's right around the corner, man. We're already in a pandemic, and Nike is taking that actually away. I know they have their reasons why they closing the factories down, but hey, who am I to judge what they doing or what they actually got planned up their sleeves? Did you get any luck on the latest shoe drop, sneaker release that you was trying to go for?
Yeah, I got a couple of sneak peeks that came in.
Okay.
I was lucky I didn't take an L on them.
All right.
Besides the ones I passed on, I had a couple people call me about the Jordan 12, the Twist.
Yes.
A couple people hit me about those shoes, but I'm like, I wasn't a fan of those. They remind me of the Fever 12 that came out.
Yeah, I remember those.
The only difference, the chain was they put the red instead of the gold.
Gotcha.
So that was a pass on me. But yeah, I picked up a nice few releases. I got the early release with the bread ones, patent leathers.
Whoa. That's a future release.
Yeah, that's a future release. It comes out I want to say October.
Okay, I got a quick question. Before we close the show today, can we get an exclusive? Can we get a sneak preview of that shoe?
Yeah, I'll give you a sneak peek. I'll give you a preview of that shoe.
That's a bet. I like that. That's what I want to see. But not taking you off subject, let's turn back around and talk about the last episode. People liked our top 5 shoes for the summer.
Okay.
What would be your top 5 Jordan 8s that you like?
Okay, the Jordan 8s. Well, you had to go with the originals, the hairs.
I like those.
The white with the reds.
Yes.
When they introduced that shoe, it went crazy because it was different. Had the straps across the front.
Buzz Bunny.
They call them the Buzz Bunny with the hairs. They had the white straps with the red bottoms, and it was something different because it had the crisscross like on the. What was the pair of those Nikes that came out?
Air Raids.
The Air Raids.
I had them. I remember.
Yeah, it came out something like that. So that was kind of, something different to shoot again.
Okay. Another thing too about the Jordan 8 that actually opened the door, because really they did it on the 7 with Bugs Bunny, but now they start making more commercials with the Bugs Bunny, the Hair Jordan and the Air Jordan. Correct. Setup with Mike. Not to take you off subject, the first my pick is I'm gonna have to go with the original playoffs. The original ones had the little red pull tab in the back, which. Nike, please bring that shoe back with the original red pull tab.
The retro
yeah.
weight. The black, red, white, and a little bit of gray at the bottom.
Yes, I liked it that one. I liked it the aquas, the black aquas.
Aquas. Hey, that shoe was mean. And when they brought it back, I recapped it, but I just hate the fact that they put the gray in the back instead of leaving it like it was the first one in the black.
Yes, another one that's actually a real good. They went back and re-released different colors to match the year. So they got a Phoenix Suns version to that 8 too. I like.
Yeah, the Phoenix Suns colors now, like the Retro 8 Chromes.
I got those.
2015.
I got those.
Yeah, I have those myself. You got the Cool Gray 8s.
Yes.
It's another pair that came out, I want to say the Take Flights.
Okay.
I missed those.
I didn't get to take flights.
Yeah, I didn't get to take flights. I wish I did, but I didn't have no luck on those.
I tell you another one that I got my hands on. That 1 year Jordan brand released one of every Jordan tennis shoe, but they was all ice white. Okay. Every Jordan shoe was all white. I was fortunate enough to actually get those.
Okay. What about you got the OVO? The OVO 8s, the retro blacks.
I never was a fan of the OVOs. I always turned them down because I try to stay original and true to the shoe.
I understand though. Now, the one shoe I wish I could have got, but when it came out in women's. The all red Valentine's Day 8s.
Those was hot. Those
were
hot.
I remember when the hype came out and they posted them, it was supposed to be a release for everybody. Then at the last minute they put it to a grade school only, and mostly females had them. But like
Nike
you say, you rarely see that shoe though.
Mm-hmm.
Not too many people have that shoe.
That's correct. That being said, the sneaker on the table, man. What did you bring for us to see today that's on the table?
All right, here I got the Patta 7s.
Okay.
Which is a rare shoe. You don't see too many people with this shoe.
I think I saw this shoe with Trey the Truth having this shoe on. If I could be wrong, but I think I saw Trey the Truth with that shoe on.
Yeah, that's the only person I really seen with the shoe on in Houston.
Wow.
And then this one right here, I haven't seen nobody with this shoe on. It's a rare shoe, and I like rare shoes. Okay.
So is these a stock that you have, or do you rock these, or no?
Oh, I rock these.
Okay.
Yeah, I rock these. Now the brown ones I didn't rock, I don't think once. Those I haven't worn those for.
Oh man. Do you ever get people come up to you and ask you, hey, how much you want for that shoe?
Oh, I get it all the time. I had people try to buy them off my feet. Because it's a rare shoe, and like I say, a couple of these, they didn't come out in this region.
Okay.
So basically, if you don't know nobody, you're not getting this shoe. Dang. Unless you're going to go on Flight Club and, get robbed for it. And,
the stocks of shoes is basically finna get ready to go up high.
Yeah, it's finna get crazy, real crazy with all the stores closing. Like, the other day, I was in Foot Locker just walking in and see what I could see. You can't find nothing.
Is it true? We're from Houston. Is Greenspoint Mall closed down? Somebody had said that the other day.
I'm not sure. I've been to Greenspoint in a while.
Somebody told me Greenspoint Mall is closed down.
Well, it's probably closing down because I know the last couple of times I went in there, the roof leaking, a lot of stores are closed. There's really nothing in the mall.
Okay. So the sneaker game is going to be basically twisted, and it's going to be shooken up. That being said, let's go ahead and let's just take it to the chair, and let's see what we're rocking.
Let's take it to the chair.
All right. Welcome back to Chair Talk. So what you rocking today?
Today I'm pulling out the Deadpool colorway of Kickz and Trickz, along with the Utility 12s.
Utility? So you're a construction worker?
Basically, I work on a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm a jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades. Me, I pulled out the Kickz and Trickz colorway. I like this colorway because it goes with the new Air Jordan 13 Obsidian Blues.
Okay, but what's the name of that one?
Oh, this is, like they always say, Papa Smurf. I'm rocking the Smurfs. Okay. So, I had to rock the Smurf because it wouldn't have been right if I didn't rock the Smurf. So I can turn back around and pop my chain out.
Okay, you pop your chain out. You say you got on the City and 13s. Huh?
Yeah, but I call them like the He Got Games remix, you know. So
Okay, yeah,
I mean, it's gonna be like a must pick up.
Yeah, it's a must pick up right there. Those are
So are you
nice.
gonna stock it? You gonna rock that? You see yourself rocking that shoe?
Those right there. I'm gonna most definitely rock those.
You know, but you know what I'm gonna do? I know you get tired of me doing this.
You giving them away?
No, you scared me. No, man, I can't get this away. I mean, but what I can do is this. If we turn back around and we get a fan that can comment and basically turn back around and share this post and share everything that we do, I'm thinking about giving away one of the exclusive Kickz and Trickz shirts that we got. The one that you got to get with that Patreon.
Okay, I like that. I like that little promotion you got going right there.
But you kind of picked my brain when you asked me about would I get a shoe away. So what I'll do is this. I mean, what would you do? I mean, if you was me, would you give it away or would you like just stock it? How would you do it?
That shoe right there, that's a rock. That's a must rock.
Fans, I was gonna give it away, but
must rock.
he say rock it, so I can't give it to you. If anything, I think I'm gonna stock it, put it up somewhere down the line, and if let's say down the line, if I get lucky enough to get another pair in my hand, you got my word, I'll give it away.
Okay, I understand that.
So another thing I do want to ask, because this is like very important that I want to know. On your exclusives, who is your plug? If you don't mind me asking, are we not allowed to?
We're not allowed to discuss who my plug is. You know, my plug is super official.
All right.
You know, it always come through.
Okay.
So I can't just put them out there like that, you know. But later on down the line, if I once I discuss it with him and see if it's okay to put that out there, I'll put that out there.
Okay. First off, thank the fans that always supported us from day one.
Most definitely.
What do you want to see in the upcoming seasons of Kickz and Trickz?
You know, I want to see, you know, more participation from the fans, you know, reaching out, commenting, sharing. And like you say, it's all kinds of ways to win merchandise, super exclusive shoes. Mm-hmm. And like if you comment and especially comments, I wear a size 12. And a lot of my shoes, I do, you know, raffle them off and give them away.
Okay.
So you might get lucky and get some super exclusives real early.
You heard it first, man. He get a lot of exclusive.
But I need that feedback.
Feedback is easy. All you have to do, if you type up on the internet and you go look up Jordan tennis shoes, it's nothing for you to go to YouTube. Some people say, man, I went to YouTube and seen your stuff. That don't mean nothing, man. Go make your YouTube account. It's free. All you got to do is turn back around, make your little YouTube account, hit the notification bell, like and subscribe. We have to support each other, especially in the sneaker community, because there's no color, there's no race when it come down to this Kickz and Trickz thing.
Big facts.
So, until next time,
drop it,
rock it,
or stock it.
For your chance to win the latest Kickz. We out.
Peace.